to 7.6, talking about the run object. This is the third hierarchy level within work with Word. There's several chapters where we will use this video to talk about the basic information. And next video is our interesting case study. We will really use the code to make our document with the different style. So first is to know Run. I gave you the comparison between Excel, which we learned, and with Word. So there's now we have the complete three hierarchy. So compared to Excel workbook mapping to document in Word, under workbook you have one or more worksheets, and that is mapping to Word document is a paragraph. Remember, is a page break. Is also one special type of paragraph. So under documents, every element are called paragraph. And then within our worksheet, you have the row column to give you numbers of the cell. And that is mapping to the third level in Word is we call the Run. This naming is a little tricky, but you just consider that is every word or numbers of words, as long as they are keeping in the same style within one paragraph, they will be one run. And whenever their style is changed within one paragraph, they create another run. So run is like run in paragraph is similar like paragraph in document. It's just a list. And you can use this list traverse to reach, access the different number of the run. And we will practice how to add a new run, how to clear run, and how to set the style. And we will use those tactics to do the case study in next video. So let's together to do some the exercise. So within a paragraph, our set of the text or even our the word or even a part of the word or character can also be our different run. So to understand that is better we do this through sample. So 7 hyphen here is the run object. So we do this 7. Let's create 7 6 is no run dot py. So consider this. Let's first create our document. So here I go to our this one. So make our docx. So no run. So 761 no run doc. So let's give this way. So 一天 someday office 遇上了 Python. So here days we can give some different style. So this one, let's make that bigger and Yu Shang we gave our different color. So compared to here, you can see here we have days, first 2 characters, then change our style. So this will be a second run, this will be the third, and we change our color. Color also a type of the style, so it's also our another run. And these 2, even with different language, will be a same run. So we have this one. Let's see. So save your change to this. Let's first save, then close. And let's double check for this one. So from docx import document. And now we will load this document. But before that is you need to see here. We need to switch our working folder. Then we can load our document. So this is 761 underscore no run.docx. And then we put our paragraph. We only have for one paragraph. Is equal to doc paragraph. So starting from 0, so we get this paragraph. Then we print length of paragraph. The property is runs. So let's check how many runs. Paragraph. Oh, here is paragraphs. So you can see is 8. So that is different to what I consider. So let's have our preview. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be 5, but it is 8. So what's the 8 looks like is we can retrieve those runs. So just we use the runs property is text. So for I in range. Let me see. So let's run in paragraph runs. Print run. Let's see. Well, what's those runs? Oh, print run dot text. It's indeed 8. So what's this 8? So let's see. 某一 is 1. So this, and this is second. O is the office. They are different. So that's the trait is they are changing the style. And 遇上 le is also, and P. So these are different to here. Is from this explanation you can see here, a capital letter and the non-capital letter, they are treated as the different run. And Chinese character or different encoding is treated as the different run. So here I may pop up these to the author is why here is actually is make our 8 run. But these also are good to know is through this traverse for loop. Actually, you can examine what are the different runs. Then is if you want to print paragraph. So paragraph dot runs. Let's see the dot runs. Let me see is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I make 4, so it should be this 遇见, and we put that text. So let me see here. So you can exactly is retrieve the needed the run that you have. So these are the difference. I'm not sure is whether they're due to I'm using the version of this word this different the library version compared to the authors in the book. But this will be an interesting feedback I will raise to this book author. But anyway, please see the result. You can change these styles, and then you can get the runs from one paragraph. So those are the print. So we load this and we can see that. And run is represent the text within the paragraph. And then this we can also use the way is to let's see how to add the paragraph. What this code means, we'll add run. This just let you see the source code for this library's add underscore paragraph. So add paragraph actually is use the way is add paragraph dot add run, because you add a paragraph actually is you first add the run and then create this paragraph. So that is 761. It's interesting. We find some difference compared to the book. That happens many times, different times. So let's see 6.2 add run py. So let's starting from docx import document, and we don't load the document. We just create our empty document. I'm now it, and we will save that. Doc.save is to the 762.docx. So let's verify they are running correctly. So, yes. Then let's starting to add paragraph and add run. So paragraph. Yeah, we can also verify whether I add this office actually is will add two run. So whether that's treated as two run or one run. So first, let's add a paragraph. Office. Yeah. So if I add this office, let me see. So print paragraph. So it looks like it's one run, but let's see. So dot runs one text. So let's see what's that create. Paragraph dot runs list index out of range. So let's see here. So it's 0. Okay, so now it's treated as one run. So then let's see, it's a one run or two run? It's a one run. So that is interesting. So possible that due to I create the earlier document in Word, but that also need to be double checked. So let's comment those, and we put this run one paragraph dot add run. So same as the add paragraph, we now use add run. Is we put this Chinese. That is one. Run 2 equal to paragraph add run. Let's see the Python. So we want to use this one. So now looks like it's we only have 3 run. Yeah, it's 3. And from this one, looks like it's just to create those as the 3 run. And let's do our test. So let me open this from here. And I change this to make that bigger. So I hope now it's a full run. So let's load that. Let me make another file. Test. So this I want to load this. And I don't want this, I don't want all of them. I just wanted to, okay, paragraph is doc paragraphs. Let's use doc paragraphs. So this should tell us how many runs. List is no attribute. So let's see what we did here. So paragraph is this 0. Oh, so paragraph 0. So we should have this one. Here is we cannot make a list. So these come to the first paragraph. It's 4. So that is interesting. So my first sample actually create 8, but this one is actually is 4. So that's correct. Let's do further things. And it's already print paragraph runs I did, and the print type run. This I don't run this because it's just a docx text run dot run, and we can print runs one dot text. So it's coming to this one, and since we now have 4, so let's print paragraph dot paragraph is the first one, so let's use the doc paragraph 0 dot, let's see what run we have. Runs, so we have 4 run. Let's see the last one. Oh, the second one. Say the third one. Third one is paragraphs. You can see third one is a run, no problem. Then let's load the text. It's a Python. So third one is Python. Let's open here. This one is Python, but we have changed that in another file. So that is not, I didn't save that for this one. So I didn't save when I changed this. But here is also after this load, they still have the 3 runs, and then we save that to here and override what I did manually. So those are the add run. So you just use a paragraph object and use the add run method to do this. So that is the second one. And if I go further, it's a clear run. These just use this runs method is clear, but you need to reach access the correct run, then you run the execute this clear method. So first let's create sorry, do, then you have that, and then we have doc save with R63. Let's make our paragraph. So we have run one. So let's have this. So this we can reuse. No need this two. So paragraph is doc add paragraph with this default of face. First run, and the run one is use the second one. And we can print run one's text, then we create a document here. Oh, so create that, and we didn't save that here. I don't see our document. Doc save. Where is my document? Let me run this again. It's correctly Xcode this, but there's no doc save. What's the problem for? Oh, I didn't have this dot. Okay, it's not create a document. Yes, and this one is have this to run, and let's do the clear. So I clear run one. You can make that as a variable, or you remember we can always use doc.paragraphs and make the first paragraph is index 0, then doc dot runs and use this index. So this one is the same as doc dot paragraph. Remember it's 6 is s, and then dot runs. So now these are the second run, so it's runs index is this one. And if you want to load the text, you use this, and or you use this clear. So these two are equivalent. And after that is let's run this, and we see here is empty, and in our document is disappear. So that is the this run and add and clear run. And we have this run the style, so we can do the quick demo for this one. Run style, and we have many other supported library we can load. So first we have our document, and we will load the docs. They have this enumerated. And with that, we have this text import. Remember this we used last time for this paragraph alignment. Now what we want to use is this color index, this one, and the underline. So those are the word, the font, these styles. So all those runs style is here. So remember last the section when we did the paragraph style, those settings are in this group, paragraph. For run, their style is categorized into the font. So all those font, the settings, if you click this arrow, you can set here, then you can access those styles from this font, the run style. So we just try to make some OXML .ns import qn, and from docx shared import RGB. So these are the colors. So I have a typo early, so PT So here, so front. And then we have enough the library load. Then we have our document, and we will save. Dot. Last sample I forgot this dot. So 764.docx. So let's run first to ensure we load the correct. So empty one. And then we can start to do this. Let's create our paragraph first. Paragraph 1 is equal to doc. Let's add our paragraph with office. And then let's make a run, add a run. So it's in the paragraph 1. We will add run 遇上了 Python. We can now print. I have the blank line so that you can see the code easily. So run.font. So let's see the default font. Default font is just this type is the text font.font. So what we get is, let me clear, stop this, and we have this line. So these are has a font, the property. So let's clear the comments this. Then we can set, so run. So run is our current run, but run is only this part. So run font.name equal to Times New Roman. So let's run. Let's see is any difference. So no difference. So let's create some other font so that you know some different way. So let's see. Maybe we use the Aharoni. Let's run. From here, let's see, we don't see the difference. So from here, you can see 遇上了 here. The Chinese part is cannot have that, but English part is Aharoni. This is by default is MS Minchou. But in the preview, the plugin, you cannot get that font looks like. So that is the Chinese part. And also we need to put our the English part, and we need to put our element Chinese part is rpr.r fonts. You need to just familiar with those. So those are kind of treatment for our non-Eastern, Western, the fonts. So these we will have our, let me see, here. And let's see whether I have this Kaiti. Run element. Yeah, here. Oh, I didn't save. Okay, let's open this. You can see here is Kaiti. So you can also use the different Chinese font if you have. So I have multiple different one. So now I have the Chinese part to apply to this this run. But in the preview, you don't have those the style easily. So let's ignore that. And then we can start to make run the font size. So run.font size equal to pt. So pt is loaded by this shared. So let's make that bigger. And run font bold is true. Run font italic is true. And run font underline is true. So let's look at the effect of those. You can see it's big, bigger, bold, italic, underline. So, and here is Kaiti, here is the Aharoni, so very clear on the style is already effect. Let's see the following things. So those are the double. So we, if we want to use the double underline, so it's not this one. We will use the run font underline equal to this one we load. So here we have this one and double. So let's run. Oh, it's open. Run default double. Oh, it's double underline. Let's see. Let me save. Has some arrow. Document. Zip defined. Let's see the single words double. It indeed has this one. How to use that? Base WD. Dot text. We import this and make that run font underline equal to. It's no conflict, I think. Or maybe let's make all this. So PT is not defined. It's just the arrow warning. It should not be the arrow. It's open. So it looks like it's the usage of this underline has some the interesting difference. So here, here. Let me save this. I/O is open. Line 22, save. Save. Permission denied. Oh, let me see whether I have this Word document open. No. I didn't open this, but the permission denied means there's possible the Word document is not correctly. Oh yeah, you see here, the word is still here, but I don't see. Oh, here. Oh, I didn't close that. So that's again, that's many times it can be the arrow coming. So underline equal to WD underline dot double. So let's comment this, and now let's run. Okay. So don't be scared if you see the arrow. So now you need to comment this normal underline, and you use this special the objects the underline method. Then you can have multiple the styles. So like what I did is just right click here, go to the definition, then you can read this define this the enumerated list. So you can dash, you can dot dash, you can dot it heavy. So those are the things styles that you can use. And then let's see what else. So if you want to have a strike or shadow, font double, and you can highlight. So all those rest of the things is very clear mentioned in this book. So I don't put those one by one to save your time. I hope it's from this from 1 to 4, these 4 demos, you understand the enough about this runs part. So now is I hope you can practice after the video. And next video we come to this interesting case study to make our Chinese templates based document through code. So that is the challenge, and stay tuned and see you there.